So I am currently submitting an offer on my future home. This home buying process is not a joke, y'all. I just decided to pick up the camera because I am about to submit an offer, my second offer ever, on a home. So I wanted to document this, and yeah. As you can see, I'm about to click finish signing. Okay, y'all, so I have signed and submitted my offer to buy. Excited isn't even the word. I have a good feeling about this, y'all, so fingers crossed, and I'm sending some good energy out there and some good prayers up that I get this home. So I just wanted to turn on the camera so y'all could see me. I'm looking stressed right now. I'm looking terrible. I'm looking crazy because this home buying process is stressful. I'm not gonna complain because it could be worse, but it's just so much information, so much stuff you need to know, so much stuff I feel like I should have known. Child, they don't teach you this in school, okay? So today is November the 15th, and it's 4:05 p.m. and they just accepted my offer on my house, y'all. And like, I don't even know how to feel right now. Like, I'm going kind of a little bit crazy, but I feel like I'm like in a frantic because it's just like everything is just moving so fast. And like, I just need to take a second. I need to take a second to step back and to just soak in this moment. Like, this is a joyous moment. I should be so happy and everything. And I feel like buying a home, you allow the stress to overwhelm you. Like, I can't even look at the camera right now, y'all. I'm just like, you know. But as I'm like just scrambling through my documents and blah blah blah, and like, oh, what I do, and go back and forth with my parents about, it's a lot going on. I said, let me just stop and let me just thank God, number one, for this moment. And I'm just gonna sit in this moment and enjoy it for 1 second. Through all the madness and all the chaos, I'm gonna sit right here and I'm gonna enjoy it. And I'm just so grateful to be here. I'm grateful to be at this moment, and I just pray to God that the rest of this process is smooth. And I will keep y'all posted. Like, wow, I'm about to have a house like soon. Oh, I'm about to pass out. Okay, y'all, I gotta finish getting myself together, but I want to remember this moment forever. So this is what I was looking like when they accepted my offer on my house. Goofy with my scarf on, but hey, this is the truth. This is what it's looking like. Okay, I'm so grateful. But yeah, I got stuff to do. Y'all, so I just signed my freaking life over. I just signed to buy my first house, y'all. I'm so excited. This house buying process is no joke, okay? Like, literally, it's so much to this process, but I'm just so grateful to God for getting me this far in this process, for getting me to this moment that I can purchase a home. Lord. But I'm so happy that I'm taking you guys along with me. For anybody else who's out there who's a, you know, first-time home buyer, or young home buyer, millennial buying a home, yeah, it's so many things that I didn't know that I'm learning throughout this journey, and I'm just happy to share with y'all. Y'all gonna see it a little later, but and on my contract, y'all, it says that my settlement will be December the 20th. Today is November 16th, so I got exactly a month and a few days before I'm a homeowner, honey. I'm excited. This is my realtor. This is the earnest money deposit.
Okay, I already sent it in. I emailed it.
What,
so
the
we good?
contract?
Yeah,
So you have to send that in the mail.
And we'll turn this into my office. Yeah, so we good. You should get it back by Monday or Tuesday.
Okay. You excited?
Oh.
All right. Well, just call me and let me know.
Okay.
All right. See you. So I turned in the earnest money deposit, and she submitted my contract, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm here at work. It is November 20th, 2018. It is 1 o'clock, and y'all, I just got the ratified contract back. My aunt just sent me the ratified contract to my house, y'all. So like this is like official. Like every other step that y'all seen was like official, but this is like I signed, the seller signed, like this shit is real. Like yeah, so like everything is moving so fast. I'm whispering because I'm at work, but like I just wanted to document this moment because I just can't believe it. Well, I can't believe it because God is so good, but it's just crazy. And everything's moving so fast. So like as soon as I was getting the contract back, my dad was calling me. So my aunt emailed me my realtor, which is my aunt. She emailed me the contract, and then like as soon as I seen the notification come on my phone, my dad was calling. So I'm like, hello. He's like, hey, have you heard anything? I'm like, Lisa just sent me the contract. He's like, okay, well, I know somebody who does inspections. You know, it's a guy that work with me. I'm gonna hit him up and let you know. So I was like, okay, cool. So my dad calls his connect that does inspections, and my inspection's tomorrow at 8 a.m. Like, so I got my home inspection tomorrow, and then my lender is ordering an appraisal. So it's just home inspection, appraisal, settlement. Home inspection, appraisal, settlement. I could cry right now, y'all. I'm about to be a homeowner. It's November the 20th today, and I got the contract back today. And my settlement is December 20th. So your girl will be a homeowner in exactly 1 month. In 30 days, I'll be a homeowner. Right before Christmas. This is the best Christmas gift anybody could ever ask for. Like, I'm about to have a heart. Like, how can I work for the rest of the day knowing this? I just got, I don't know. I'm about to scream. Alright, let me get back to work. Bye, y'all. So I'm headed to my home inspection, y'all. Today is November the 21st. Thanksgiving is tomorrow. And we're going out of town for Thanksgiving. We're going to North Carolina. And I just got back the contract yesterday, so I had no options but to do the home inspection today. So I'm headed to the home inspection. It's early in the morning. It's 7:45. And I'm excited. I know everything will go good with the inspection. I'm just manifesting that into the universe. And yeah, I don't have much to say. I look a mess. I'm gonna look a mess throughout this whole video because each time something important happens, I'm looking like this. But you know what? Glory be to God that I woke up this morning. You know, we're just gonna go with that. All right.
What you doing?
Videoing you, acting crazy.
Don't video me.
She is being nasty to me tonight,
Yeah.
but we got what we needed.
She trying to be funny.
She is being very
I'll
nasty.
leave her right here in the store.
Okay, so we finally done. I got 4 toilets, and I have a door, and then I also have 19 boxes of hardwood floors. Been in here for 2 hours. Loading all of my stuff.
Bring the floor up, huh?
Oh, this your stuff, man.
Oh, yeah, you
I'm about to take it, man.
like that, huh?
My refrigerator, my stove, my microwave, my dishwasher, my toilets, my door, my kitchen floor, and now they about to bring the floor up. I'm grateful for my stepfather. It's such a nasty day out. But your girl getting her stuff done. Okay, good morning, guys. So it's settlement day. Today is December the 20th. It's like 7:45 in the morning. My settlement is at 9 a.m. I'm looking crazy, but I just did a little bit of makeup. I've been looking rough this whole process, so I will not, and I mean will not, be looking like a bum today, okay? And that's a fact. I got my nails done. I got me a little, lashes on. So, yeah. Like, I feel like this is like the first day of school, like the first day of like 9th grade or something. Like, I couldn't sleep last night. I picked out an outfit, everything. I know it's so silly, but I don't know. I'm just happy, I'm excited. Hopefully my outfit looks okay. Hopefully everything just goes smooth. I'm not gonna say hopefully, it is gonna go smooth. Like, everything's gonna go smooth, everything gonna be fine. today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be a great day. I'm going to settlement. My boyfriend has a job interview for a new job. He's been wanting a new job for so long, so how ironic is it that it's on the 20th? Like, the 20th is about to be just a great day for the both of us, you know? Yeah, I'm excited. Once I put on my clothes and I put on my wig, honey, I'll be back. He just bought me flowers. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. He said it's a job interview.
Wish me luck.
You gonna get the job, and I'm about to sign my life away. Okay, so this is the final look. Yes, so I'm here. I just pulled up. I still have about 15 minutes left, so I'm just waiting in the car. My mom should be pulling up. She was dropping my brother off at school, and my dad. First of all, y'all probably like, why you got on 2 different earrings? Because I was trying to see which one looked better. I feel like this is like a little bit more simple, but then I also feel like 15, 20 years from now, when I look back at these pictures and this style earring isn't in anymore, I'm gonna be like, girl, why'd you wear that? I'll talk to y'all when I'm done.
This is your sales price, adjustment for taxes and homeowner's insurance. This is a credit to you from the mortgage lender. These are some of their charges, loan closing and handling fees. This is your flood certification, tax service, and these are 2 of your title charges and prepaid interest. This is something that has already been paid for. This is what's going into escrow for your tax and insurance premiums. These are your title charges.
I'm officially a homeowner. I just left my settlement and I am pulling up to my new house for the first time.